Hey guys, here we are. We're out this morning. It's a really good day here. I'm Dave with Absolute Car Guys. This is one of those days you look forward to where we're actually going to pick up a new car for the channel. So I've got the 1-ton van hooked up, got the trailer on the back. We're going to head out and go pick up the car. So come along with us for the ride. Here's a couple pictures I threw in, a copy of the ad, picture of us with it on the trailer for the first time. Also, we stopped to eat, it's on the trailer, and we stopped to give it a bath since it's set for several years. Hey guys, we are back with our newly purchased E60. 2008 E60 535. She's got the straight six twin turbo N54 motor. Loved and hated by all. The body's pretty clean overall, I gotta say. I can't say much bad about it. It looks good. It's got a kind of a nice timeless design. It's got a good style on the back. It's got the nice upgraded taillights because 2008 they did like a facelift on it. Looks pretty daggone good, especially for $1,300. So we're gonna do a little series in the channel. I need to fix it, do some work on the brakes. Just do some general stuff to bring it back where it should be. The headlights need redone. The exhaust is in kind of bad shape. It's got some problems. So I'll throw a couple pictures in here. And then you'll see videos in the future about how we fix it. It's got a really bad miss. I might go ahead and throw a sound clip in while I'm talking. So the interior really clean for the year. And I actually, if you're going to have wood on the dash, I love the dark wood. Check out the seats. I mean, for 2008, it's even got the updated looking shifter. It's got the seats that are super adjustable. Both the seats are power. It's not even ripped up. I mean, look at that. And this is just how we brought it home. It's been sitting a couple years. We have not cleaned this at all. Back seat looking good. Looking good, no issues. It's got a crazy little cup holder thing right here in the middle. Let's see if I can get it down. Pop this up. It looks like it's never even been used. Look at that, still works. Really, really nice for the money, for the age. 2008. Pretty presentable in the engine bay for the age. Obviously, it's got the twin filters. It's got a little blow-off valve action down there. Got some hard pipes. Filters definitely need changed or cleaned or something. There's actually been a lot done to it. The hood may or may not hold itself up. So you can see the headlights kind of in bad shape. They need done. So do the road lights down there. Oh, it's got the auto close hood. The grill needs resprayed black for sure. We're gonna have to get some new emblems on there. Previous owner tried to cover them, but I don't like that. I'll put some black ones, make it look right, get this all straightened up. So pretty good looking for what it is. Anyways, that's probably our video on this to start it. And like I said, there'll be more to come because it's got a bad miss. Tell you what, I'm gonna start it up and let you hear that real quick before I end this video. I don't know how well that's coming across on video. Got a pretty heavy boop, 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 boop. Let's go have a listen at the exhaust pipe. It does have the really nice taillights. I like these. I'm sure you can probably hear that. All right, well, that's it for this video. We're going to get her cleaned up, fixed up, more videos to come.